Check in the TV box. We have another new video for you today. And with the Father, Son, and the Holy Gatorade. Today's video is gonna be nice and quick. Today, we would like to talk about today's weather in Chelsea and Taylor and all over the place. Today, we're supposed to get 3 to 5 inches of snow here today in Chelsea, Michigan. We're supposed to get 9 to 3 inches of snow in Taylor, Michigan. Florida is going to be a high of 3 below today with a chance of icy rain. Today, we have a really bad winter storm coming in. We have a storm watch. It is a winter storm advisory for today and to tomorrow at 3 in the morning. We ask you to please stay inside and be safe as we are having lots of bad weather coming later today about 12:30 p.m. It is 10:32 in the morning and we are supposed to get really bad snow. I really want to tell you something. I have an airport and this is what it looks like. So this is my airport. And this is the Donald Trump airplane I want to get. That is only $51 on Amazon.com. See all this stuff on Amazon you can get on Amazon.com. So that's really, really cool. Also, I just wanted to say, with the bad weather we are going to get today, we ask you to please stay inside and stay safe and bundle up in winter coats, hats, scarf, and gloves. If you are planning on going to a bike marathon today, I recommend you don't do that. We ask you to please stay home and stay safe and stay calm. That includes the people that are old. So we ask you to please stay home and stay calm and stay safe. Because we are supposed to have pretty bad weather today. Goodbye for Jack in the TV box. And you always know what to do. Goodbye, Felicia. And I just wanted to stay home, stay safe. Because of the bad weather we are supposed to have today. Goodbye for Jack in the TV box. And Gatorade.com is where you buy your Gatorade at Gatorade.com. And you can buy your iPhones at iPhone.com. So goodbye for Jack in the TV box. I just wanted to make a quick new video today for the bad weather that we are supposed to get all day long and all day night. We are supposed to have a really bad winter storm coming in later today at 12:30 p.m. in the afternoon all the way to March 1st, 2026 at 9:30 in the morning. So we hope you have a really good day. And always goodbye for Jack in the TV box. And you always know what to do. Go to Gatorade.com. Go to Gatorade.com. Go to Gatorade.com. And always, you know what to do. Goodbye, Felicia. Have a good day for Jack in the TV box. You can hit the like, the subscribe, the comment. You can do whatever you want for YouTube for Jack in the TV box. Goodbye, Felicia.